All right, guys, we've got a 2007 Mercedes-Benz S550. Really nice car. Factory converter, X-pipe there. Took the mid resonators out. There's two that come on this. Took them out and put an X-pipe in its place. Then we also replaced the mid muffler with two pipe there. And then we also replaced the rear mufflers there and there and straight pipe them. So it's straight pipe other than the X-pipe. And then he had some AMG tips that we kept on it. Came out really clean, really nice, as you guys can see right there. Came out absolutely beautiful. There's the two mufflers that were on it. There's the baby resonators that were on it. And that's the mid muffler or mid resonator that was on it. So we took all that off and straight pipe. Let's breathe some new air into this car, make it sound crazy loud. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, and hit that subscribe. Moment of truth, guys. Let's do this. 2007 S550. Straight pipe with an X-pipe. No rasp whatsoever. Just a pipe, yeah? That sounds so clean. Sound decibels? 111. Again? As long as it's got exhaust, we can do it. Wow, that's a beast. That's definitely a beast. S550 Mercedes-Benz luxury. Beautiful car. Fully straight piped, other than the converters, of course, and we added an X-pipe. Our first beast mode out of a Mercedes. Look at that thing go. Beast mode. Enjoy, guys.